Have you ever looked at a celeb's photo on Instagram and wondered how is their makeup so flawless? Sure, they have some A-lister makeup artists, but the real secret to having flawless makeup is having flawless skin prep. Hello everyone, my name is Angel D'Souza, and today we'll be prepping our skin with Quench to get that flawless makeup look. I'm sure by now you know that just using a cleanser is not enough. Think of your skin as a blank canvas. The smoother the canvas, the better the painting will look. And for that, you have to weed out everything that comes in the way. Oiliness, dryness, dullness, large pores, and the list goes on. So, let's go. Step 1. Cleanse your face. Cleansing helps reset your skin. It removes dirt, grease, oil, and pollution residue. For oily, acne-prone, and combination skin type, we recommend our Mama Sika Pore Clearing Exfoliating Cleanser. This helps prevent acne and controls excess oiliness. And for all our other skin types, we recommend the Fine Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. It lifts all the dullness, giving your skin a healthy glow. All you have to do is pump a generous amount and then gently exfoliate for 1 minute. Rinse and proceed to the next step. Step 2. Exfoliate. Exfoliating your skin before makeup not only gives you a clean and clear canvas to work on, but also ensures that your makeup stays on for long. So if you're looking for a smooth makeup plus glowing skin, nothing beats a Burst Breeze Intense Glow Gel Mask. This gel mask gives you an instant glow. This contains salicylic acid that goes into the deeper layers of your skin, making it firm and fresh. Step 3. Toner. Think toner is optional? Think again. After you're done exfoliating, your pores have opened up to the world. Not using a toner post-exfoliating will leave them open, attracting dust, dirt, and pollution residue. Indulge in a Fine Vitamin C Brightening Toner and give your skin a makeover. This contains superfruit yuzu, which has 3 times more vitamin C than a lemon. It also has niacinamide and ascorbic acid, which brightens your skin and lightens your dark spots. All you have to do is take some on your palm and pat it on your face and neck. Allow it to settle before you move on to the next step. Step 4. Brighten your eyes. Do you know the best way to avoid under-eye concealer creasing? Tip off your eyes. For a fresh, well-rested look, use our Bravocado Brightening Under-Eye Hydrogel Mask. This contains hyaluronic acid that tackles dryness and plumps under-eye area. This also contains Irish moss that tackles fine lines and wrinkles. Just apply the product. Let it sit under your eyes for 10 minutes and you'll have instantly fresh eyes. Step 5. Moisturize. Whether it's day or night, or summer or winter, moisturizer will always be a non-negotiable step in your skincare. Smoothen your skin with our Burst Breeze Hydro Fresh Daily Moisturizer. It not only instantly hydrates your skin, but it also gives you sun protection with SPF 40 PA+++. This 2-in-1 product is non-sticky, non-greasy, and it leaves no white cast, making it perfect to use before makeup. Ingredients like sea buckthorn, bird juice, and niacinamide ensure intense hydration throughout the day. Step 6. Prime time. Never jump right into your base makeup without applying a coat of primer. It acts like a glue and increases your makeup stay and longevity. Plus, the pore blurring effect makes sure that it doesn't seep and slide into your fine lines and pores. Go for the Fine Brightening Primer, which is a hybrid of makeup and skincare. And here you have it, the perfect canvas for flawless makeup. Hi guys, I'm back with a full face of makeup, and as you can see, my makeup is flawlessly sitting on my skin thanks to all the skin prep. So guys, if you found this video really helpful, then like, comment and share this video. And subscribe to Quench Botanics for more Korean skincare tips. Bye!